Drop it. Sit.
Ow.
I didn't say anything. Get over here.
Oh!
What?
Come here. Come here.
Ready?
Come here. Sit. Sit. Stay. 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 Go get it.
Did you hear him? He went. I feel like in his mind he's like, wow, I probably look so cool right now.
Starter, come here. Sit. Down. Down. Go. Up. Up. Around.
He wants that. Wants that? Sit. Sit. Speak. Good boy.
Let go. Ready? Go get it, Ray. Go get it. All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself.
I threw it.
Oh, look how muddy he is. Oh, mud all over him.
It gets really muddy in this field.
No. Don't do that. Gimme. Got me. Go. Try to go. Sit. Try to. Sit. Hello, crazy person.
You like? You want it? Sit. Who's a good boy? Thank you. Thank you. That's it. Ray.
Good father. Love thine father.
Good boy. Ray. Ready?
Hold on.
Oh, what's that stink?
It smells like welding. Someone's
It was
welding.
like when we were right by that one house that you were saying that was like Julie's or something. It smelled the worst there.
What does it smell like?
I don't-
dying
it smells like,
rat.
No, it smells like lots of chemicals. What the heck? My song just turned off. Whoa. dog, you crazy person. Goodbye, you crazy person.
Not in the puddles!